Hey viewers, this is your youth librarian Annamarie from the Westerville Public Library, excited to create that Storytime at home experience for all of you. Keep watching for an idea on how to make a baby play activity similar to those we use in our playtime after our standard baby storytime that you can create from around the house objects that hopefully will keep your little one engaged for a little while. All materials and information will also be in the description below. Hey viewers, after all of our in-library baby story times, we have a play session where we pull out a ton of pre-purchased baby toys as well as stuff you can make around the house. And since many of us are now stuck at home for a little while, it seems like a great time to really focus on those activities you can make from objects around your house. So this week, I will be showing you how to make a cereal box and straw activity that amuses the babies after story time, so hopefully amuses your little one at home as well. So all I have is a empty cereal box. Really, you could use any empty food box that you have around your house. The thinner the cardboard, the easier it's going to be for you to make this activity. I have a pen. You could use a pencil, a knife, any sharp object. Obviously don't use it around your little one, but whatever tool you need to make this work. And I also have I have reusable straws. You could use regular straws, you could use unsharpened pencils, whatever works best that you can find around your house. So all we do for this one, sometimes, for the ones in the library at least, I will wrap packing tape around the edges to help support the box. I'm not going to do that here because not everyone may have that at home, and I don't think this particular box is going to get that heavy use. But if you have quite a few little ones or a little one you think will be very engaged, you can try wrapping that tape around the edges 3 or 4 times around the box to make it more secure. Take your pen and you are just going to poke holes in one side of the box. You may want to do 2 or 3 holes sort of right next to each other to create a larger space. Sometimes the straws are a little bit bigger than the pen and you don't want to make it too hard for your little one. So I am going to poke right through there. I'm going to poke right beside it, sort of make it a little bit of a bigger space. And I'm going to test out one of my straws to see if it fits in there. And it does. It does pretty well. Now these straws have a little lip, like where you'd have on a smoothie cup. To make that easier, you can either encourage them to use the other end if you have an older toddler maybe, or you may want to make an even bigger space to make sure it can fit if you have something like that that's going to make it a little harder for your straw to fit. So I'm going to poke some holes in here. You can make your holes in your cereal box form a shape. They can form a letter. You can do whatever combination you like. And this activity for the little ones really helps build fine motor skills. Build some wrist strength for our adults too, who have to do all of this poking, especially if you make a lot of boxes. It does take a little bit of wrist energy, but once you've gotten those holes, pretty simple to do with anything you've got around the house. Take those straws, you can put one in there and they pretty quickly, anybody that's like 8 months or older pretty quickly gets the idea, and show them how to put them inside. And they will very quickly take them out, figure out how to put them back in, try to make holes of their own, all kinds of great stuff. So this is one simple activity, cereal boxes and straws, or any cardboard box and straws, to recreate at home to keep your little ones engaged.